Hi everyone, this is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a few announcements. It's not many of them, but it's mostly C6M news. C6M 4197 has been completed and released from GE at Erie Plant and will be put into service at Conway. More ST60s have been retired. Those numbers are up here. And the four C6Ms that came back from GE at Fort Worth will be put into service at Chattanooga, and those numbers are listed. These are the first four of 8 units being rebuilt by GE at Fort Worth plant for this year. So they've got 4 left to rebuild. And that's it. I know it's been kind of a short update, but a few more C6Ms are turning out. More of them are going to be coming out. So be prepared for shiny new C6Ms. A few announcements on my end. The part one of the weekend on the Old Southern has been a success. If you have not checked out that video, please do so. I'm finishing up part two, the concluding of the Tidewater rails for the month of August. That is coming out on August the 30th. August 31st, the Q&A responses will be out. Thursday the 29th is your last day to submit any questions. So if you have not looked at the Q&A prompt for August, I strongly advise you doing it because this is your last chance to get any questions in because the 29th, the polls will close. They close at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursday, so it's your last chance to submit any questions. So I would strongly definitely take a look at that. And that's about it as far as announcements go. So hope you guys enjoy this little short update, and I thank you guys for watching.